What's the meaning of atavistic? Atavistic. Atavistic.
Atavistic. Atavistic. The term atavistic refers to a reversion to an ancient or ancestral characteristic, usually in the context of biology or behavior. It suggests the manifestation of traits that were lost in evolution as a result of natural selection. In other words, it describes the reappearance of primitive traits in an organism's anatomy or behavior. This phenomenon can occur due to genetic mutations or environmental changes. Atavism has been observed in various species, such as humans, birds, and reptiles. Overall, atavism is an interesting and sometimes unexpected reminder of our evolutionary past.